Come quickly, all children. I am going to tell you a very interesting story. That is the story of the peach tree. It is mentioned once that an uncle living in a village came to the city to meet his friend. The city uncle welcomed him very lovingly. Do you know what that urban uncle used to do? He worked in a car manufacturing company. What a fun job, isn't it? He made the village uncle visit his factory. It explained how the car is made, how all the parts of the car are assembled. Means he told all the details, and that villager uncle was very happy with it all. Then, the uncle from the city took the uncle from the village to the park. There, the two friends had a lot of fun and chatted, breathed in the fresh air. Then, the uncle living in the village told his friend that I have also brought a very great gift for you. Dear children, do you know what that gift was? It is a matter of thinking. When the village uncle took out the gift from his pocket, the city uncle was surprised. It was a strange gift. That gift was a peach seed. What? What is this gift? Asked the city uncle. Actually, the village uncle knew the importance of seeds because he were a farmer. He knew how a single seed can grow into a whole tree and what a delicious fruit we can get. The village uncle asked his friend if you can take the whole car you made in a box and take it somewhere. The city uncle replied that no friend, how can this happen? This is a very difficult task. Then the village uncle told the city uncle that this gift not just a seed. This is a whole factory created by Allah. All you have to do is plant this factory in the ground and it will grow into a tree trunk, leaves, flowers, and then fruit. This is the formula made by Allah for every seed, how a big tree is hidden in a small seed. Now all you have to do is put it in the ground in the name of Allah, water it daily and keep it in the sunlight. A plant cannot cook food by itself. Its food is made from water and sunlight. That's all you have to do, and then see how delicious the fruit turns out. When the fruits come out, definitely send me. Will you send me the fruit too?
Dear kids, here is the task that you have to do now. Take a seed of any fruit. With the name of Allah, sow it in the soil. Water the plant daily and put it in the sunlight. See the process and say Alhamdulillah.
For more videos, subscribe my channel.